Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the comparison between SQL and pandas, two powerhouse tools in the realm of data analysis. In this video, we'll compare the use cases of SQL and Python, learn how to translate SQL queries into pandas syntax, practice writing pandas queries in Jupyter notebooks, and understand how to use SQL and pandas in data pipelines. SQL is designed for querying and retrieving data from databases quickly. Python, with libraries like pandas, excels at data manipulation, analysis, and modeling. Both are essential tools for data scientists and complement each other in data workflows. When it comes to data pipelines, these tools automate data processing steps. SQL is commonly used in the data processing stage to filter and combine data. Python is often utilized at the data destination stage for analysis and visualization. Now let's look at how we can translate SQL queries into pandas. Here, we see a simple example where we select country names with a surface area greater than 300,000. This slide shows SQL and pandas code doing the same job. Another example is using the pandas query method, which allows for SQL-like querying of data frames. This snippet demonstrates how to select country codes from countries in Asia. Combining SQL and pandas offers a robust workflow for data science. SQL is used to extract and pre-process data, while pandas takes over for deeper analysis and visualization. To wrap up, SQL and Python each have distinct strengths in data analysis. SQL is best for querying and basic operations. Python is ideal for advanced analysis. Learning to translate between SQL and pandas enhances flexibility and efficiency. Both tools are essential in modern data pipelines. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on data science and technology. See you next time.